Hi, for today's weather report, this is Kevin Cross reporting from Cross Medical Group. What the viewer doesn't know is that I have nothing in front of me here. I'm just going to pretend like I do, and then Robbie's going to magically put a patient in position, kind of like the weather person with a green screen in the background. It's like magic. In this patient, she had in the midsection a lot of fullness that kind of wrapped around to the back, minimizing how much contour she had between the back and the buttock area. And so when we talk about lipo 360 or sculpting 360, I've said for years, if your surgeon isn't doing sculpting 360, you're not with the right person, because you can't ignore what's in the back, because in the front and the back are going to tell two different stories, and we really want balance and harmony. So oftentimes surgeons will limit how much sculpting and shaping they do, because they also want to tell a patient, okay, I'm going to keep the scar as short as possible. If we don't do liposuction where we need to do it because we're worried about generating extra skin and we don't want to extend the incision to get out that extra skin, we're not giving the patient the result that they deserve. So this is a perfect example of a patient where I started with some sculpting on the sides and the back. That did generate a little bit of extra skin, so I extended her incision out a couple of centimeters beyond just the front in order to get rid of that extra skin. And then as we rotate to the quarter view, you see how all of that tapering creates a really nice hourglass shape, really nice dimension and proportion. And then as we rotate to the front view, again, the incision's imperceptible. She has beautiful muscle definition. She has a beautiful looking belly button, a well-hidden, low-placed incision that's discreet under any bathing suit or underpant line, and never compromising on the shape and appearance in order to shortcut the incision. It is much better to use a little bit longer incision to get a result as perfect as can be.